Arrive in style with this GMC 2015 Yukon SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear view camera, rear view monitor and dash, blind spot sensor. Memorized settings includes driver seat, memorized settings number of drivers, 2. Memorized settings include steering wheel, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function and parking sensors rear. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.